Hisense 110 UX mini LED TV that Hisense is hoping to claim as the best mini LED TV of the year, thanks to, wait for it, 10,000 nits peak brightness. There's a lot to unpack with that, so let's go take a closer look. Yup, 10,000 nits peak brightness. That is a very bold claim that would blow us away if it were true. Now, I'm not saying it's not true, but it's unclear what the sustained peak brightness is, which basically means how bright the picture would be fully on this 110-inch screen. If we're just going based off of anecdotal viewing, up close the brightness looks stellar. Hisense has said that they added an anti-glare filter. I still am seeing a bit of glare, but mind you, we are in a convention center with tons of beaming lights. So the big thing we wanted to know is how the TV can get this bright without overheating and damaging the pixels. Hisense tells us there is a very large heat sink on the panel itself to help diffuse heat, but there is also a large ventilation system on the back of the TV just to help keep everything cool. And obviously we have to talk about the design. There aren't a lot of TVs that look like this on the market with this bold silver frame and these beveled edges. The speaker grills you can see are built onto the edges here, although they tell us that the speaker is actually up-facing to help raise the overall soundscape. These help more with the surround sound. This TV has 4.2.2 channel with Dolby Atmos. Sound also gets beefed up with this subwoofer that doubles as a stand. Hisense isn't able to confirm whether this is going to come to the US. However, it gives us a sense of what a 100-inch TV would actually look like in our home with our decor. Let's talk about the processor real quick, because Hisense is saying it's a big improvement over conventional TVs. The HiView Engine X is loaded with AI for HDR detailing based on frame-by-frame object analysis, face detection, and more. Expect more news like pricing and availability on this massive UX sometime in March. In the meantime, you can check out more of our CES 2024 coverage on this YouTube channel, on tomsguide.com, and everywhere on social at tomsguide. And as always, I'm at Kate Kosich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.